What if I told you some of the most powerful decisions in the world are done by some of the funds which you will never see in the news? Yet, behind each one of them, there is an accountant making sure nothing falls apart. That is the hedge fund industry. In the Mastering Hedge Fund Accounting, we are going to explore that industry. Hello everyone. Welcome to the new course Mastering Hedge Fund Accounting, a comprehensive course designed to equip you with the deep and practical understanding of the hedge fund industry landscape. Let's start with the very basic question. What is a hedge fund? Hedge fund is a pooled investment vehicle which use wide range of strategies which is not the traditional equity or the debt instrument. Now, the wide range of strategies inclusive of the long short position, leverage, arbitrage and the derivatives. This generally covers for a high return and it is a complex kind of funds, and these are more innovative. As there is a possibility of high return, there is also associated with a high risk and complexities. Now, you might ask, what is the prospect of this industry? What is the impact of this industry? The hedge fund industry manage $4 trillion of asset under the different investors, starting from the high net worth individual to the institutes who are seeking diversification. Now, these kind of investors are growing rapidly, and with this immense growth, there is always need for the people who are having a good understanding of the financial statement, they have operational efficiency and they have transparency. So, that's where the fund accounting industry or the hedge fund accounting has playing a crucial role in this industry. Now, the basic question comes, what is a hedge fund accounting? In a simple term, hedge fund accounting is something where we are recording and we are booking the daily activity which is happening inside the hedge fund. So, what are these kind of activities? That will be the trade booking, capital activities, any dividend or any corporate action, derivative instruments, and also the reconciliation, derivative instrument valuation, NAV, investor allocations. So, in this particular course, we have covered the end-to-end process with some examples and case studies. Now, you will ask, who will work in hedge fund accounting? So, this industry is ideal for anyone who is a finance or accounting professional, BCom graduate, MBA finance student, anyone who is interested into the finance, operation and investment banking field. If you have a prior experience in fund accounting or if you have a financial instrument knowledge, that is going to be helpful, but that is not mandatory. Now, next question comes, with this knowledge, what kind of job role you are going to get? So, with hedge fund accounting knowledge, you will get a roles like hedge fund accountant, NAV accountant, investor, associate, service, like this kind of. These are the roles which are very much globally acknowledged, and it has a global importance into the financial hubs like London, Singapore, New York, even in Mumbai. And with the outsourcing happening for the financial industries, these kind of roles are rapidly growing into the India and the Philippines and the Eastern Europe as well. Now, you must be thinking, if this course is right for me. The answer is yes. If you are a BCom graduate trying to break into the investment banking domain, if you are an MBA finance student trying to make a career into this finance field, if you are a qualified CA or CS who is trying to diversify into the investment banking domain, if you are a fresher who is trying to make a mark into this competitive job world, if you are a banking professional or a financial professional who are planning to switch their job into the hedge fund industry, or anyone who is passionate about the financial domain or into the accounting domain. So, this course is help you from the ground level, but yet this course goes into the deep enough to enrich even the seasoned professionals as well. By mastering hedge fund accounting, you are not preparing yourself just for a niche skill. You are preparing yourself to join into the heart of the financial hub. This course will open your door for the international job opportunities where you will get a chance to contribute meaningfully into the firms which are handling thousands and billions of clients' assets. This will give you an opportunity to join the workforce which is always evolving, which is very complex, and give you an immense opportunity. To sum it up, Mastering Hedge Fund Accounting is your gateway to the rewarding career in finance. Whether you are trying to break through into the industry or upscaling your growth, this course will give you the tool, the confidence, and the clarity to succeed. Thank you very much for joining. Let's begin the exciting journey of hedge fund accounting.